Ray Miller worked in the landscaping business in his Northern Indiana Amish community. But with their harsh northern winters, landscaping was limited to a seasonal job. Ray started looking for something he could do year-round. In January of 2004, Ray made a move to pursue one of his lifelong interests. He started his own woodworking shop. But as Ray looked around at his community, he noticed something. "I guess I just thought everybody else was doing traditional furniture already. I wanted to do something different." And he certainly found something different. The shop Ray opened in 2004 would later become known as the Amish Log Furniture Collection at DutchCrafters. Rather than producing furniture with traditional lumber, he specialized in building furniture with pine, aspen, and cedar logs. This unique design creates furniture with natural, rustic character, where every piece is truly one of a kind. Each log has its own thickness, curves, knots, and coloration, especially with cedar's distinctive red interior. Aspen logs may even display scratch marks caused by elk and deer. What started as a 40-foot by 60-foot shop has more than doubled in size and now has 9 employees. His shop sits between a horse pasture and his beautiful home and flower beds, tended to by his wife. Looking back, Ray is just happy he started the business when he did. Now, no matter the weather, he can devote his time to the work he loves. Today, we're happy to offer you a wide variety of furniture designs from the Amish Log Furniture Collection, your source for beautiful log, pine, aspen, and cedar furniture. Thanks for watching. Click the link to visit us at DutchCrafters.com. Talk to you soon.